case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The legal dispute centered on a collapsible single-pole deer stand, a device coveted by hunters for its blend of functionality and convenience. Its makers were W.C. Phillips and Mary Phillips, the plaintiffs in the lawsuit, whose manufacturing secrets were allegedly stolen by the defendants, Buck Pro Inc., giving rise to a contentious courtroom showdown. Buck Pro Inc. obtained the secrets not by inventive brilliance or diligent research, but rather through underhanded means. Namely, the defendants got their hands on a videotape that detailed the manufacturing process, and additionally, finagled a tour of the Phillips shop, where they saw the secrets in action. The breach became all too clear when Buck Pro Inc. began selling a near-identical version of the plaintiff's V-Lok deer stand along with its accessories. The Phillips took the matter to court, alleging that Buck Pro Inc. had used their confidential information without permission, leading to the initiation of the lawsuit. In the first round of this legal battle, a jury sided with the plaintiffs. They awarded the Phillips damages and further issued a permanent injunction against Buck Pro Inc., barring them from manufacturing, selling, or marketing not just the deer stands but also the accessories. Buck Pro Inc.'s counterclaim for malicious prosecution, however, fell flat. Unwilling to accept this verdict, the defendants sought to have it reversed on appeal. They attempted to claim that they had actually reverse-engineered the Phillips design. The grounds for this argument, however, were tenuous at best, and the appellate court ultimately upheld the jury's original verdict. Among the factors cited in the court's decision was Buck Pro Inc.'s blatant abuse of their confidential relationship with the Phillips, and the improper means they'd employed to acquire the manufacturing process. Consequently, the court concluded that their actions amounted to a violation of trade secret law, and the defendants were ordered to cease their manufacturing and selling activities in relation to the deer stands and accessories.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.